Before you buy a home in Southwest Florida, I want you to do something that could save you thousands of dollars and maybe even keep you from buying the wrong house. Almost every buyer moving here asks me the same question. Lisa, should we buy new construction or a resale home? After helping so many families relocate, I realized they're asking the wrong question. Because the happiest buyers don't choose the newest house. They choose the home that fits the life they actually want. So today I'm going to walk you through the same 7 conversations I have with every relocation buyer before we start looking at homes. By the end of this video, you'll have a much better idea which option is right for you. Hi, I'm Lisa Pons. I'm a local realtor here in Southwest Florida, and I specialize in relocation and new construction. I've helped families move here from New York, Michigan, Illinois, Ohio, and all over the country. These 7 questions have helped my clients avoid expensive mistakes and feel confident about what are the biggest decisions they'll ever make. Let's get started. Question number 1. How long do you plan to stay? This question changes everything. If you're buying your forever home, waiting for the perfect floor plan or the ideal lot might make complete sense. But if you think you'll move again in 3 to 5 years, resale value and location may be much more important than every design feature inside the house. Buying for today and buying for the future aren't always the same thing. What I tell my clients, don't buy for where your life is today, buy for where you want your life to be 5 years from now. Question number 2, what do you want your weekends to look like? This surprises almost everyone. Most buyers tell me they want a beautiful kitchen. But after they move, they rarely talk about the kitchen. Do you picture yourself spending weekends at the clubhouse, playing pickleball, walking your dog through the neighborhood? Or would you rather be close to the beaches, local restaurants, and established neighborhoods with lots of character? One of my buyers told me, Lisa, we didn't move to Florida to spend every weekend working on the house. That answer made their decision much easier. What I would tell my clients, before you choose a house, picture your perfect Saturday. Then find the community that gives you that life. Question number 3, what monthly payments feel comfortable? This is where I see buyers make one of the biggest mistakes. They compare purchase price instead of monthly ownership costs. Your payment is more than your mortgage. You also have insurance, property taxes, HOA fees, CDD fees if the community has them, maintenance, and sometimes builder incentives that can significantly change your monthly payment. I've seen buyers purchase a home with a higher price tag and then actually cost less each month because of the insurance and the buyer incentives. What I tell my clients, don't ask yourself, what can I qualify for? Ask, what monthly payment still lets me enjoy the lifestyle I'm moving here for? Question number 4, how much maintenance are you comfortable with? There's no right answer, only your answer. A new construction home often means builder warranties, new appliances, a new roof, a new AC, and fewer unexpected repairs. A resale home may offer larger lots, mature landscaping, and more character, but it also may require more maintenance. Neither is better. It simply depends on what fits your lifestyle. What I tell my clients, ask yourself one simple question. Do you want to spend your weekends maintaining your house or enjoying Southwest Florida? Question number 5, how important is location? This is where resale homes often have an advantage. Many established neighborhoods are closer to beaches, restaurants, shopping, parks, and everything that's been built over the last 20 or 30 years. You simply can't recreate that overnight. New construction communities offer something different. Resort-style pools, fitness centers, pickleball, walking trails, community events. It's a completely different lifestyle. Neither is better. They're simply different. What I tell my clients, drive the neighborhood before you buy. Visit during the morning, the afternoon, and in the evening. A community can feel completely different depending on the time of day. Question number 6, how quickly do you need to move? Your timeline matters more than most buyers realize. Some buyers need a home within 30 days. Others are planning 6 months ahead. Some builders have inventory homes that are ready right now. Others may take several months to complete. Resale homes can sometimes close faster, but inventory changes constantly. Your timeline should always be a part of the conversation before you fall in love with a home. What I would tell my clients, the right house at the wrong time can quickly become the wrong decision. Make sure the home fits your timeline as well as your wish list. Question number 7. Which home gives you peace of mind? This is my favorite question. I don't ask which house is prettier or which home has the nicer kitchen. I ask which home lets you picture yourself living the life you moved here to have. Because that's usually the right answer. What I tell my clients, the best home isn't always the biggest home. It's the one that lets you feel comfortable, confident, and excited about the life you're building here. After helping so many families relocate, I've learned something. There isn't a perfect house. There isn't a perfect builder. There isn't a perfect neighborhood. There's the only home that fits your priorities, your budget, and your lifestyle. If you answer these 7 questions before you start shopping, you'll make a much better decision when it's time to buy. If you're thinking about moving to Southwest Florida, I've created a free relocation guide that covers communities, costs, new construction, and everything I wish I knew before making the move. You'll find the link in the description below. And if you're still trying to decide between new construction and resale, leave me a comment with your biggest question. I read every comment and I'd be happy to help. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Every week I share home tours, community guides, and practical advice to help you make smart, confident decisions before you buy. Until next time, live where you love and love where you live.